Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm that 1320 chick. I wanted to do a quick update of what's been going on with the car. We had to change the springs and I'll explain in the video why. We also did a bigger fuel system because I didn't want the car being limited by fuel at all, now that it can handle a little bit more with the motor being built. We've been busting our asses the last couple weeks to try to get this thing finished. So stay tuned. I wanted to also update saying, I know we did the Cobra Jet install and we didn't post the numbers or anything. And the reason for that was Ken ended up getting a different intake. So we didn't want to dyno it and then have the new intake and then have to dyno it again. So we are waiting for the intake. It should be on the car probably this weekend. So we'll have a video on it next week. And I promise that our content's gonna start being a lot more consistent now that the car is done. And now that my car is done and Ken's car is pretty much done, we are gonna start on the SN. So this video was just very quick. I didn't wanna go over a ton of reinstallations and installs and stuff like that because it just gets tedious and it's boring to watch after a while. So it's just really quick. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you want to see next. And we got some surprises coming up in the next couple weeks. So keep posted and like, subscribe, and tell your friends.
And see how you can see this hole up here?
Yeah.
This one and this one? Those are gonna be the two easiest ones to get at.
Okay. Stab him. You already gonna rock your sweet long tooth header?
Long tooth
sticker?
Pass me the dog food.
Hector!
Watch out.
Sorry, am I in your little bit of light?
Did Dan buy another Fox body?
Hey guys, I was wishing that I had a better progress update right now. I'm working on getting the rear springs in. I ended up having to do a lowering spring from BMR, not a drag spring. The reason for that was it lowered the car too much. I know you probably think that there's never a car too low, but adding about 75 to 80 pounds with the floor, we ended up having the nose being a little bit too low, and I thought that it might not work with transferring for weight, so I called BMR and they recommended these ones for the Whipple. So I'm here trying to remove it myself, and front's done. Everything on the car is done except the fuel system. We came up with some hiccups with the fuel system, so I'll explain that later when we go over a little bit of the fuel system. I didn't want to do a ton of like install with this again, since a lot of the stuff has been repeated now. So I'm hoping to have a dyno for you very soon.
That's your ZL1, the Camaros.
The ZR1 should be
probably
too,
the same
yeah.
thing now. It's a real ultra modern little pump.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. It sounds a lot better than I